In this video, I'm going to teach you how to paint surfaces. Now, painting surfaces is really just a quick graphic representation to get a feel for maybe how you want the finishes to look or to preview certain finishes to see maybe how the colors are going to come together. But it's just that, it's a quick graphic representation. You could use it for rendering, but you'll see in a minute, it doesn't have any actual um, effect on the structure that you apply it to. It's almost like just putting a sticker or a decal um, on a surface. So the way that you do it is, let's go ahead and look at our 3D view, and you can see right now it's all kind of muddy. There are some finishes applied to some of the families that we've brought in, but our actual structure itself has not been assigned any finishes. So you're going to go to your modify tab and hit this little icon, and this is the paint um, icon, and it'll bring you to the materials library. You can see we've got some Haworth stuff in there already. I'm going to go ahead and use brick. Now these are the out of the box finishes unless you download a family from a manufacturer's website. Um, and so it's all in alphabetical order. So you'll go ahead and click brick. And look, as you hover, it's just allowing you to paint faces. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click on here, and I'll take a look at the other view. And I can paint finishes, and you can see here, that was my fire rated wall that was created during when we made the stairs. So I'm going to unhide that. And even though it's got a structure, it does not have a finish. So I can put that paint finish on it as well. And if you have a hard time grabbing the face that you want, you can hit the tab button and it'll select it for you. So you can see the graphic looks okay. It would render nicely, but you can see there's just a little bit of tiling on it, where you can see kind of where the pattern starts and stops. Now, something interesting I want to draw your attention to. And now keep in mind, before I move on, I want to make sure you know you can paint any finish. See, I can paint the floor, I can paint the ceiling, I can paint anything. But what I want to draw your attention to is when you're done painting, if you hit the escape button, if we look at that level 2 floor plan, we just painted all of these exterior surfaces with brick. Look what happens if I draw a section. So a section is cutting through and looking in a direction. So I'm cutting through the wall and looking in the direction of that arrow. That section is here. So look, as I cut through the wall, there's no brick showing. You would see like the mortar and the brick and the thickness of it stuck to that. So now you're seeing this is just a graphic representation. This is not anything that affects the structure. And so in that way, it's helpful for renderings and for quick visualizations, but it's not getting any intelligent information about the project. That the intelligent information is not being added to the project right now. It's really just like putting a sticker on, but it's helpful, and it's really fun to start to see materials come to life in your rendering because it helps it look more real.